Hi guys, today we're going to be making our spider web. So in your package you got sticks that have been glued together and a piece of string that's tied to it. So what we're going to do on each stick that's sticking out, we're going to take our string and we're going to wrap it around. See, wrap it around, and then go to the next stick and wrap it around and keep turning, and let's see if we can do it 2 times, and then wrap it around 2 times, and then wrap it around 2 times, and then wrap it around. Keep wrapping all the way around. And then we're going to go out. Bring our stick, our wrap, and go in the outer part. Keep wrapping, twisting around and around. Okay, and around and around. And then to the next one. Around and around. Keep going around and around and around. Just keep wrapping your string around the stick and go just to fill it all in. Okay? Just like that. Keep turning your spider web. Okay, wrapping and wrapping. Okay? Is everybody seeing how Miss Ann's doing it? Okay. Round and around. Okay? And then you can have Mommy tie the string at the end of your spider web. And there you have it. The spider web. And then the spiders that you made, you can put on your web. Okay, have fun making your spider web. Bye, see you tomorrow.